So Extreme Engineering, it's a software and engineering services company. What is special about what we are doing is that we are 100% focused on advanced material modeling. Today we are a global company, started in Europe in 2003. We have a team of 24, mainly PhDs and Masters of Engineering, concentrated on advanced technology. We serve about 200 customers worldwide in different industries, including chemicals, automotive, aerospace, electric and electronics, and we've been growing at a double-digit rate since our existing in 2003. We are in business to model composite material, but composite, as we think of it at Extreme, it's the real definition of composites. A composite means when you have two or more materials mixed together. It can include the classical composites, which is laminate, carbon fiber reinforced plastics, but it also includes all kinds of other multi-phase materials. This includes plastics, it includes rubber, like filled rubber, it includes nanocomposites, it includes hard metals, and many types of other materials. Extreme is in the business of modeling composite. By why do we need to create a company to model composites? Finite element analysis has been here forever. MSc is been modeling all kinds of materials and all kinds of structure for 50 years. Why today we need a company like Extreme? The facts today is if you want to optimize a composite part, you need to take into account its real behavior. This behavior is nonlinear, it is strain rate dependent, it is anisotropic, and more importantly, the behavior can change from one point to the other in a structure. And this change depends on how the composite is being manufactured. So Digimat is used by material engineers and by structural engineers. For material engineers, Digimat has to be looked at as a material test lab. It can help you optimize new material, engineer it, optimize its performance, and understand its behavior. It allows you this to reduce the amount of testing that is needed for a material and the amount of time that this testing and amount of time and cost this testing requires. Once you have engineered the new material, what you need to do is to give it to your structural engineers to put it in a structure for an end performance like an airplane or a car. And in this case, Digimat becomes like a virtual material inside the finite element analysis of your car or airplane. Our strategy is to have a holistic approach of modeling composites. So we can model multiple types of composites, ranging from chopped fibers to continuous fiber composite. We can model multiple physics, mechanical, thermal, electric. We can model the effect of multiple manufacturing processes, including injection, compression, and draping, for instance. And finally, we can model all kinds of behaviors going from linear, nonlinear, and also connected to implicit or explicit solver. So what we do is a holistic approach to model whatever material you need to get your design right.